I'm currently standing by for a potential long trade here in dollar CAD. I missed the original entry, but currently standing by for a re-entry opportunity if one makes itself available. I'll walk you through what I have trading starting top down here on the daily chart. So here we have yesterday's candle here. Let me move this weekly divider out of the way here. So here we have yesterday's candle. Yesterday's candle puts this wick in below day before yesterday's candle right here, and then closes inside the range of yesterday's candle. So this is the range of yesterday's candle right here, and then this is the range of day before yesterday's candle right here, and yesterday's candle wicks below the range and closes back inside the range. I was busy chasing weekly targets instead of trying to just look for these daily targets, which this set up a really nice daily target and provided a entry opportunity. But as I mentioned, I was not looking at this earlier and missed this opportunity when the entry provided itself right here in today's candle right here. And then here on the hourly chart, you can see price action here. This is the current dealing range here, and this is the low that was put in. In addition to that, we have this price action where price gives a body candle close with this candle right here above this 1 hour swing high, and then this bullish fair value gap gets put in, or buy side imbalance, sell side inefficient. From that price action, price continued to deliver to the buy side, consolidate up here, and then start to deliver to the sell side here. So putting in a high, a higher low, a lower high, a lower low, higher low, higher high, consolidate, and then put in a lower low, lower high, lower low. So you get this shift here to the sell side here on these. Then you get this next low put in here, lower low, lower high, and then you get this put in here, and then you get a higher high, higher low, and now you've got price right here back at this level where it just put in another shift here to the buy side. And with this shift here to the buy side, price action is now internally bullish and currently externally bullish, with this price action right here being bullish, and then you get that you had that shift to the sell side, and now with this area right here you have an internal shift to the outside. So both externally and internally bullish here on the 1 hour chart, and with this body candle close right here, the 1 hour is now showing trending market conditions. Here on the 4 hour chart, you can see this price action here, sell side delivery here, putting in bearish fair value gaps, further sell side delivery here, putting in bearish fair value gaps. Some things of note. There's liquidity located below this candle here. There's a very small wick, like a 1 tick wick down here, that may not hold up if price returns there. And then this level here, there is liquidity here, as there is no bottom wick below this 4 hour candle. So I would anticipate price to want to return to this level, and looking for this swing low right here to or at least where this swing low is right here. This came down to this order block here, and I'll go back over to the 1 hour and show you where I missed the trade entry here. So this is the low that was put in, the swing low that began the bullish trending price action here. And then when this price action returns to the sell side right here, this is when it gives an entry to this bullish order block right here. So this whole area here would be the bullish order block here, and then this last candle is what I'll use to use for entries here based off of the 15-minute. So here with the 15-minute, you get that price action where you get this here, this being the 15-minute order block that is associated with this 1 hour order block candle. So this being the whole order block, but then refining the order block down to this lowest 1 hour candle, and then refining that lowest 1 hour candle down to this 15-minute swing or this 15-minute order block here, and using the entire order block on the 15-minute but refining it on the 1 hour. And when that happens, you can see, I'll put a line down so we can see it. So this would have been my, and then you can see price, and that price level is 135.419, and then price action reaches down into that level, and price made it down to 135.411. So actually, now that I'm looking at this, I'm going to change this order, because this provided an entry for the bid but did not provide an entry for the offer here. And the fact that there is likely liquidity resting here on the 4-hour chart below this level here, I'm just going to change my order here and prepare for pullback back to this level instead of the level that I currently have it at. Just anticipating price to sweep lower here. So I'm going to change my stop loss here. My low here is 248, 228. So I'm going to give it a 20-cent stop, 135, 228. And I'm going to change my limit entry. 135, 419. Okay. Okay, this will be my new order here. So now I'm adjusting the order, and this is just multiple time frame analysis here, just going through my charts, and this is something I've been thinking about or had been weighing on how I wanted to manage this trade, but just analyzing it here real time again, probably for the third time, just realizing just now that the bid has reached the my entry target, but my offer hadn't. So with that in mind, I want to keep that there. I've missed that with my other two evaluations, just because I think just probably ROMO, or regret of missing out, fear of missing out, just trying to from a psychological perspective, get myself into the thing that I thought I missed, but clearly here I've not missed it. It's either just not going to provide an entry based on how I trade, or an entry has yet to be provided. So I'm just going to leave this it is and see if any entry opportunities are provided here. There is here on the 1 hour chart this area here that is yet to be traded into. So there's a bullish fair value gap or a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency here that price could use to deliver price further to the sell side here. And then here on the daily chart, hour and a half remaining in the Forex day, it looks like today's candle will close inside the range of yesterday's candle, which would not give a clear bias on or a clear draw on liquidity. So when this happens, and if I'm already lined up for a trade, then I just leave the position as is. So I would anticipate sometime over the course of maybe the Asian session or London session, price to return back to this level, and if all goes well, redeliver here to the buy side. But if you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Stay on tilt, never